Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of the Lantern Light Up. Today we got a 200A. Enjoy! We're going to start by burning in the mantle. That's the first light on this one. It's pretty cool. Whoa, it's angry. It's angry. What do you think of that one? That's a good one. I just found this one a couple weeks ago. That's the one I just lit. There was one left in there. Won $1,000 in Coleman products. Oh, United Airlines. What? Wow, Bob Ward. Box is not too bad. Got some tape residue on it. Frank Perez. Well, they got all the good stuff. That's a model 200. 81 looks like. I think that has to be from an earlier model. That's the Lantern Light Up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.